Properly drying curly hair is important. Drying curls, you always want to make sure you are not disturbing those curls while they're drying. It is okay to disturb curls after they're dry, but during the drying process, you don't want to run your fingers through your curls. You don't want to run any type of comb or brush through them. You want to set them in their desired way with your styling products, and you want to either air dry them without touching them, or you want to use an attachment on a blow dryer called a diffuser, which will blow out diffused air, and it won't allow the air to come out in a straight line, because a blow dryer without a diffuser is going to blow your hair all over the place. So you want to just make sure you use that diffuser if you want to dry your hair with a blow dryer.